Hi, this is Petro, and this is the profile LED surface mount fixture from I2Systems. It's a really great little surface mounted fixture. This draws about 3 watts, but probably puts out as much light as roughly about a 10 to 15 watt halogen. Comes in a few different colors. You can get a brushed nickel bezel. We have a chrome bezel. We have a white one, and we also have a gold one. Very easy fixture to connect. You'll notice you have 3 wires. You have your positive, your negative, and that extra yellow wire, that's for the optional dimmer. If you're not going to use the dimmer that we offer, just cap this off and make sure you don't apply power to it, or you may damage the fixture. First thing you're going to do is connect your ground. Connect the red to positive. Okay, so now you're going to put your wires neatly away. Okay, secure the light using 3 screws. Okay, then you just take the bezel, snap it on like that, turn your light on, and that's all there is to it.